Okay, in case you're packaging bulky items that are up to 2 kg, 1.5 kg, 1 kg, this is the nylon you need. I am introducing this nylon to you. Okay, all right, welcome to Vital Rich Concept. Get our stamping kit, which you can use to brand your product with stamp. Okay, it comprises of 100 ml ink, the stamp pad, and the stamp itself. Get our industrial nylon, which is the same nylon that big companies use to package their products. Get our mini hand sealer. Vital Rich Concept is here to make sure your branding is and packaging is going forward. Get our non-industrial nylon rolls. Get our heat gun sealer and our impulse sealer. Okay, then I am introducing this nylon that we are going to use today to package. We are going to use it to package up to 2 kg products. Inside this nylon, there are 180 pieces for you to use. Okay, get our branding course that will help you to brand your product like a pro. Get all these things by contacting us, getting our WhatsApp number from our bio to make inquiries or to place your order. You place your order through WhatsApp chat. So today we're going to be packaging gari with this nylon. Okay, you can see the nylon. I've opened it now so you can see how it looks like. All right, let's measure the dimension. Don't forget to like this video, share this video wide. Tell us where you're watching this video so that in our next video we're going to give you a shout out. Like you can see, the width is 10 inches while the height is approximately 12 inches. Okay, a little bit more than 12 inches. So the width is 10 inches while the height is approximately 12 inches. With this you can package up to 2 kg, and inside one pack is 180 pieces of it. Okay, 180 pieces plus a little bit more. Okay, so place your order today. Get our WhatsApp number from our bio to place your order. We deliver globally, whether you're in Africa, you're in Nigeria, or any part of the world. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So we're going to use this. We use this scale, this weighing machine now to weigh. You can see the product there now is a little bit more than 1 kg. So I poured it inside the nylon, just to show you how the nylon is going to swallow up 1 kg. Okay, so the item here is a powdered product. You can use this to package powdered product, whole product, grains, your snacks. You can use it to package even paste product that are like paste. Okay, you can use it. Now you can see how it swallowed up the 1 kg. Now I'm going to add another 1 kg. This one is also a little bit more than 1 kg. I add it now. Okay, making it 2 kg plus. Okay, now I'm adding it now. So with this you can package those your powdered products, your corn flour, your corn starch, your beans flour, your cassava flour, your snacks, your grains, anything. And it will be good for exportation, it will be good for supply and whatever you want to do with it. So you can see this is pure 2 kg, just a little bit above 2 kg. Okay, all right. So after you've done that, the little challenge you're going to face is if you don't have the longer impulse sealer. But I'm going to show you how to package this and seal it with this impulse sealer, this normal impulse sealer size. Though there's a longer one, but you can start with this if you don't have that longer one until you are now ready to buy the longer one. So after adding the items inside the nylon, the next thing you're going to do, make sure the two sides align together so you can close it up. Okay, all right, don't forget to like this video and share it wide. Now in this nylon, in this impulse sealer, because this impulse sealer is a little bit smaller than the nylon, there is a hole, there's a knot at the end of that impulse sealer. That knot will be the challenge you face, but I'm going to show you how to overcome the challenge. So the first thing you're going to do, open the handle of your impulse sealer very well to the end, just like I did. Okay, then to avoid that knot creating hole for you in the nylon, use paper and cover it. Fold your paper into like 4 places, then use sellotape to hold it down. hold it down on the impulse sealer, just like I did now. I've used sellotape to hold it. Now I will seal without having any issue, without the thing creating any hole in my nylon. Because if you don't do this as you're sealing, because the nylon is bigger than the surface of the impulse sealer, it will create hole in your nylon. Okay, let me prove to you that the nylon is bigger than the space on the impulse sealer. Okay, you can see now, you can see the nylon, you can see the impulse sealer. You see, so since this is the what you have, the impulse sealer you have, will use it. So what you're going to do, you make sure that the nylon doesn't start at the edge, at this extreme end of the impulse sealer. No, just start it where I started it, then seal while your heat is in 2 seconds. Don't let your heat be more than 2 seconds. Then when you seal, allow it to rest for like 2 or 3 seconds before you lift the handle, so that it will lift without tearing the nylon. You can see how smooth and how beautiful the sealing line is. Now turn to the other side and repeat the same process. Make sure you put the nylon, you know, the sealing line, let it align with the line on the impulse sealer. Don't go and create many lines on your impulse sealer. Okay, so down, seal. Remember your heat should be in 2 or less. Don't let it exceed 2 seconds. Then allow it to cool. Once you hear that noise, allow it to cool for a few seconds before you lift it up. Now you're going to repeat this process 2 times. You're going to repeat this process 2 times. Why? So that you will ensure that your item is properly sealed, tightly sealed. But always make sure you're placing it on the same line, on the impulse sealer. Okay, so with that paper that we provided, we used to cover the knot. There's not going to be any hole in your item, no single hole. Nobody will even know it's a smaller size impulse sealer that you used to seal this, because there's actually a longer impulse sealer for sealing this kind of bulky item. But here we always provide solution for you to make sure your packaging business is moving forward. So after you've repeated it 2 times on both sides, voila, that's it. Now you have to be very cautious when bringing it out so that it will not tear. That's why you have to allow it to cool for a few seconds before you bring it out. Voila, voila, our bulky item is perfectly sealed. Nothing like tearing, nothing like any opening at all. This is good. You can supply this to superstores, supermarket shops. You can export this. You can do whatever you want to do with this, because the item here will last and last and last. It will last and last and last because it's properly sealed. So place your order today for this nylon and all other things we offer. Get our WhatsApp number from our bio, our WhatsApp link from our bio to place your order. Thank you for watching. I know you've learned something new today. Give us a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe to my channels, and follow us for more tips on packaging. Your business will continue to grow and do well. Remember, inside one pack of this nylon we have 180 pieces.